Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My dear students, how are you? Probably you are well at home. You know that we are continuing our classes, online class. So today I am inviting you to participate in my class. Today I will discuss for class 8 subject English second paper. My dear students, today I will discuss about transformation of sentence from affirmative to negative. How we will change from affirmative to negative. For this, my dear students, follow the board. I have written only added affirmative sentence. For only, we will use none but, nothing but, not more than, not less than, etc. For several portions or several sentences, my dear students, I have written affirmative. Only he can solve this problem. Here, after only, I have used personal subject he. So for personal subject, we will use none but against of only. None but he can solve this problem. Okay. Next, when we will use nothing but. Now I am discussing about nothing but. Against of only we will use nothing but. When? Against of impersonal subject. That means things, insects, materials, etc. The baby likes only sweet. My dear students, look at the board. I have written another example, affirmative example. The baby likes only sweet. Here I have used only. Yes, the word only I have used sweet. It is not a personal subject or object. It is a impersonal object. So for impersonal object, we use nothing but. Okay. Now I am writing the answer. It is affirmative. Now I am writing negative sentence. Nothing but sweet. Okay. So for impersonal subject or object, we will use nothing but against of only. Next, I will discuss not more than or not less than. For only, the word for only we will use not more than. If there indicates number, for only against only we will use not more than. Not more than or not less than. Example. Affirmative. Affirmative sentence. I am 48 years old. I am only 48 years old. I am only 48 years old. So for negative, we will use not more than, because of after only I have used a number. So for number of word against of only we will use not more than or not less than. Negative. more than 48 years old. Okay. Or negative, another negative. Am not less than 48 years old. Okay, both of the sentences are correct. So for number, against of only, we will use not more than or not less than. Okay. Now I am discussing about another rules of negative. Now I am discussing both dot dot that. Both dot dot added sentence. Example. Example, affirmative sentence. Okay. Both Rakib and Raihan are good boys. In this case, both dot dot pair, both dot dot and subject plus dot dot added sentence we will use not only but also. For this sentence we will use negative not only plus subject. So rules not only plus subject, not only plus subject plus adjective plus but also plus subject plus verb plus rest of the sentence. Rest of sentence. Not only Rashi but also Raihan are good boys. Okay. So my dear students, follow the board. For not only both dot dot the and plus subject. If the sentence only, its rule is on not only but not only plus subject plus adjective. Not only plus subject, not only plus subject plus but also plus subject. Not only plus subject plus but also plus subject plus verb plus rest of sentence. Both Rakib and Raihan are good boys. Not only Rakib but also Raihan are good boys. So for not only but also I have written, I have discussed the rules. Probably you are watching my discussion. Okay. Next I discuss another rule. If every added sentence, for every we will use there is no. Example. Every mother loves her child. Okay. For negative, against of every, if there are written every added affirmative sentence, against of every you will use there is no. Against of every you will use there is no. So the answer is there is no mother. Plus but. So against of every you will use there is no plus subject. Next but plus verb plus rest of sentence. So rules. There is no plus subject plus but plus verb plus rest of sentence. Okay. So you will practice these rules at home. If you have any doubt or any problem, next class you will discuss. You will ask me question and I will solve your problem. Okay. Thank you, my dear student. No more today.